How to add skills to your resume. Adding skills to a resume is one of the most important steps for job seekers who want to demonstrate their qualifications clearly and effectively. Choosing the right resume template ensures clarity, while listing skills effectively highlights strengths for employers and tracking systems. Understanding how to present skills and where to place them is essential for anyone navigating the hiring process. A skills section provides a snapshot of the applicant's abilities. Its primary function is to highlight competencies that are directly relevant to the role being pursued. Unlike work experience, which details responsibilities and achievements, the skills section offers a concise list of proficiencies. The emphasis is on relevance. Only skills that align with the job description should be included. This approach signals that the applicant has carefully considered the employer's needs and is prepared to meet them. Skills sections are simple, usually a list in bullets or columns, organized under categories like technical skills, soft skills, or languages. This ensures that recruiters can quickly scan and identify key qualifications. Overly complex layouts or decorative symbols should be avoided, as they may reduce readability or confuse automated systems. Different types of skills can be included depending on the role. Hard skills are measurable abilities, such as proficiency in software, data analysis, or project management. Soft skills are interpersonal qualities, such as communication, leadership, or problem solving. Both are valuable, but the balance depends on the position. For technical roles, hard skills may take precedence, while for leadership roles, soft skills may be emphasized. Including both types demonstrates versatility and adaptability. Content in the skills section must be tailored to the job description. Just as customization is essential in other parts of the resume, the skills listed should reflect the language of the posting. For example, if the description highlights strategic planning and budget management, those exact terms should appear in the skills section. This not only improves compatibility with applicant tracking systems, but also reassures recruiters that the applicant understands the role. Generic or irrelevant skills may dilute the impact of the section. Formatting matters. Use professional fonts, consistent sizes, and clear headings. Keep spacing clean so each skill stands out without clutter. Grouping related skills together enhances clarity. For example, listing Excel, PowerPoint, Word under a software skills heading is more effective than scattering them throughout the section. Adaptability is another key aspect of adding skills. A candidate may apply for roles in different industries, each requiring different competencies. Maintaining a master list of skills and selecting the most relevant ones for each application is an effective strategy. This ensures that customization is efficient and consistent. A resume tailored for a marketing role may emphasize creativity and campaign management, while one for a technical role may highlight coding languages and analytical tools. The placement of the skills section also matters. For candidates with strong technical abilities, placing skills near the top of the resume ensures immediate visibility. For those with extensive work experience, skills may be placed after professional history to complement achievements. The decision depends on what the applicant wants to emphasize. Strategic placement ensures that the most important qualifications are noticed quickly. The importance of adding skills reflects broader changes in recruitment. Employers often receive large volumes of applications, and skills sections allow them to quickly filter candidates. A strong skills section highlights preparation, relevance, and professionalism, showing the applicant has aligned their abilities with the role, boosting chances of being shortlisted. Despite these distinctions, skills sections share similarities with other parts of the resume. Both require careful organization, both benefit from clarity, and both must be updated regularly. Outdated or irrelevant skills can undermine credibility, just as outdated job experiences can. In this sense, the skills section is not separate, but integrated, complementing the overall narrative of the resume. In conclusion, adding skills to a resume is a strategic approach that emphasizes relevance, clarity, and adaptability. It differs from other sections in its concise focus on abilities, but it must still be customized to align with job descriptions and employer expectations. By organizing skills logically, tailoring them to specific roles, and maintaining professional formatting, applicants can create resumes that resonate with both software and recruiters. Mastering the art of presenting skills is essential in today's competitive job market, where precision and alignment play a central role in hiring. Understanding these principles not only clarifies the function of the skills section, but also empowers individuals to navigate the application process with confidence and effectiveness.